Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make a plan into a circle in Blender. In this tutorial, we can add the plan first. So we can go to Add Mesh and add the plan here. Now we have a plan and select the plan and go to Edit mode. We can add geometry to turn it into a circle. So we can use right click and add Subdivide to add geometry. Now we can open the Subdivide panel and add number of cuts to 3. Now we can make sure that we select the vertex selection and use circle select and click and drag to select the vertex on edges. Now we can go to merge and transform and use transform to sphere and move the cursor to change vertices to circle shape. So this is how we can make a plan into a circle in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.